Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make a contactor with motor wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. DPMCB circuit breaker, RCCB circuit breaker, contactor, timer, motor, neutral connection input to DPMCB, phase connection input to DPMCB, phase connection from DPMCB to connect RCCB circuit breaker, neutral connection from DPMCB to connect RCCB circuit breaker, neutral connection from RCCB to connect contactor, phase connection from RCCB to connect contactor, neutral connection to timer 2 point, phase connection to timer. Output connection from contactor to timer, output connection from contactor to load. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.